Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP. So, ABAP Advanced Business Application Programming is a fourth generation programming language used for development and customization purposes in the SAP software. Currently positioned along with Java as the main language for SAP application server programming. Most of the programs are executed under the control of the runtime system. So SAP ABAP is a high-level language that is primarily used to develop enterprise application for large business and financial institution on SAP platform. So you need to have a basic understanding of Java programming and database technologies like PL SQL to make the most. So SAP ABAP Overview. So ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming, fourth generation language, and currently it is positioned along with Java as the main language for SAP application server programming. So the high-level architecture of SAP system. The three-tier client-server architecture of a typical SAP system. Presentation, application and database. The presentation layer consists of any input device that can be used to control SAP system. This could be a web browser, a mobile device and so on. All the central processing takes place in the application server. The application server is not just one system in itself, but it can be multiple instances of the processing system. The server communicates with the database layer that is usually kept on a separate server, mainly for performance reasons and also for security. Communication happens between each layer of the system from the presentation layer to the database and then back up the chain. So ABAP programs run at the application server level, and the technical distribution of software is independent of its physical location. It means basically all three levels can be installed on top of each other on one computer, or each level can be installed on a different computer or a server. The ABAP programs reside inside the SAP database, and they execute under the control of the runtime system that is a part of the SAP kernel. And the runtime system processes all ABAP help statements, controlling the flow logic and responding to user events. So unlike C++ and Java, ABAP programs are not stored in separate external files inside the database. ABAP code exists in two forms: source code that can be viewed and edited with the ABAP workbench tools, and generated code, which is a binary representation. So if you are familiar with Java, the generated code is somewhat comparable with Java bytecode. The runtime system can be considered as a virtual machine, just similar to Java virtual machine. So a key component of the ABAP runtime system is the database interface that turns database independent statements, OpenSQL, into the statements understood by the underlying database, native SQL. And SAP can work with a wide variety of databases, and the same ABAP program can run on all of those. So this was a brief introduction on SAP ABAP. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.